It's because I personally feel that the market today, right, in this market, it is as strong as ever in terms of its fundamental. Why? Okay, so why do I say that timing wise, right, it is fine that the market is not overheated? It's because I personally feel that the market today, right, in this market, it is as strong as ever in terms of its fundamental. Why? I've put out this table that plots, right, new launch per square feet to resale PSF. For the longest time, that new launch and resale PSF has been divergent. So, and of course, a couple of years back, the whole debate was, wow, the new launch prices climb so high, resale prices are like that. Is that sustainable? You know, that new launches continue to go up and resale remain stagnant. So thankfully, right, we have come to a stage whereby the resale today is now catching up and narrowing that gap. And I feel in general, the narrowing of that new launch and resale PSF is good for the market moving forward. It encourages, sustainability in the market lah, right? Why is this happening? Because the new launch got no stock, so people are forced into the resale market. The resale sellers, they know how to position themselves also, right? They see that there's not much supply in the market, I can charge higher prices. So sustainability wise, yes, generally it works well for the market. For upgraders looking at this, right, which one should you choose, right? No right, no wrong. Later on, right, after we go through the trick that I'm going to share with you guys, you can utilize that to determine which one do you or should you be going for. Right, I also put it down into the RCR. If you notice the RCR, the gap between the new launch and the resale is not too high. Today, that gap is also narrowing. Over in the CCR, right, that gap narrowing also as well. How does this all play out into your property plan? Later on, we'll talk a little bit more about it, right? The purpose of these 3 slides is to show you that the market is entering or achieving a very natural equilibrium moving forward. Fundamentals as strong as ever. So is it a good time? I think it's fine. You just need to have confidence or have sufficient knowledge to have conviction on the property market moving forward. Okay?